Is your toilet giving you a dirty look? Time to fight back with Truly Free's foaming toilet bowl cleaner. Today we're flushing away grime the natural way. Let's dive in. First, let's prep our powerhouse cleaner. Grab your bottle and fill it with warm water to the line. Now pour in that concentrated refill pack. Top it off with water, screw on the cap, and give it a good shake. We're mixing up some plant-based magic. Squirt the cleaner around the bowl, making sure to get under the rim. Watch as it foams up. That's our citric acid and sugar-derived cleaning agents going to work. Let it sit for a few minutes. This gives our natural ingredients time to dissolve stains, kill bacteria, and break down that nasty ring. While we wait, take a deep breath. Smell that fresh peppermint? That's pure essential oil. No toxic synthetic fragrances here. Time to scrub. Our plant-based formula makes it easy to wipe away grime. Give it a flush and voila, a sparkling clean toilet without harsh chemicals. It's safe for your family, pets, and even septic systems.